What is life coaching, you're asking yourself? A good coach can help you up level any part of your life. Just to lead you, to guide you into settling into a truer version of yourself. It's going to be my birthday, November 1st, yay, the day after Halloween. I find my birthday a really good time to reflect. A year from now, I like to ask, wow, what's been going on this past year? What are some things that have developed for me that I would like to keep? What are some things that I might like to feel differently or better about a year from now? So you can see your coach and go over your life goals, go over, again, things that are working well for you and anything that you would like help on. Coaching dovetails beautifully with therapy. It does not replace therapy. Life coaching is not psychotherapy. So if you're in therapy, if therapy is helpful for you, you don't need to quit that. You can incorporate some coaching on in there for the things that you're getting therapy about or different things. There will be some overlap at some point, and you just let your coach guide you. You let your therapist guide you as well. Super fun. What is scary are our Halloween decorations here at Freeman Medical Clinic this year. And our amygdala really feels scared when there's a change. So if you're embarking on changing anything in your life, even if you're committed to it, you know that it's going to be better for you. Just know that if you're feeling really scared, that is your amygdala trying to keep the status quo. What the amygdala does not like. The amygdala abhors change. So make the change anyway, face your fears. A good coach can help guide you through that. And nothing is wrong if you've decided to make a positive change in your life and it feels really scary. What else can I tell you? I got my NAD peptide anti-aging IV today, which we love here at Freeman Medical Clinic. We know a lot about aging. I'm going to go off on that track a little bit, so if you're not interested in hearing about youth enhancement or anti-aging, feel free to stop here. But if you are interested, there is something that the anterior pituitary emits into all humans, and that is growth hormone. Growth hormones in males after 25 years of age decreases every 7 years by 50%. That's a real loss. So one of the things that we chase as we age and we want to hold on to our youth is this growth hormone. Years ago, not that many years ago, certainly during my career, we actually would prescribe human growth hormone. Sometimes people just call it growth hormone. Growth hormone is no longer prescribed. It's not recommended because what we know from good studies, evidence-based medicine, is that growth hormone can increase the mass. So a lot of times males like to increase the mass of their body, or even females who are trying to put on weight. It does increase weight, does increase mass, does not make you faster if you're an athlete, and there is a high incidence, a high risk of developing carpal tunnel syndrome and other arthralgias, otherwise known as joint pains, and also edema or swelling. So the Beers recommendation has been updated in 2005 by the American Academy of Geriatrics to not prescribe growth hormone. We can, however, use peptides, especially intravenously, especially helpful directly. The IV crosses the blood-brain barrier. We can take in peptides that are precursors to growth hormone, stimulate that anterior pituitary to naturally make growth hormone without the potential negative side effects. This is the cutting edge of anti-aging medicine. Anti-aging isn't my favorite term because we are aging and we want to embrace our aging, but boy, there are some really exciting peptides, some exciting ways that we can age and feel more youthful. things that these peptides can help us with as we have birthdays are adiposity, which is a nice word for fat around the belly, decreasing that, clearing brain fog or increasing mental clarity or mental acuity, increasing lean muscle mass, so converting fat to muscle that does increase strength, decreasing fatigue, all the things that we think of anti-aging peptides can help with. So see your anti-aging specialist. I know some of y'all follow us, you're not in Austin. Schedule a consultation, come in, let's do an individual consultation with you and sit down and go over your goals for the next year. If you want to go over your goals for a longer term, that's really fun too. Does coaching fit into that? A lot of times people think, oh, I don't need a life coach. There's nothing I need help with. I got this, I can do it on my own, otherwise known as the DIY approach. And I love using the example of Tiger Woods. So many people say that Tiger Woods has the best golf stroke in the world. And guess what Tiger Woods has? He has a golf stroke coach. So you can be in the best in the world at your job, at whatever it is, and coaching can even just get you to a higher level. So whether you're looking for a better relationship with a family member, with a partner, with a spouse, with your children, with yourself, a good life coach can help you with that. If there's anything that you would like help with and you think you might gain that edge, having your coach be also a medical doctor, that's me. And there are other medical doctors out there who are doing life coaching as well, and that's super fun to have that edge. I've coached people through all kinds of things. Most recently, I got to coach a weight loss client through whether to have his father go on hospice or not. His father did subsequently die last week, and he gave me this really warm feeling when he told me how much he appreciated being coached through that. That wasn't something that we had anticipated, but when you have a life coach in your back pocket, you're just ready for when life becomes overwhelming or whatever life throws at you. You know, we have these periods of stasis and calm, right? And then we know that life is gonna throw something at us. That's just the way it is. So there's a little information about life coaching. Feel free to post questions, ask questions anytime. Give us a call if you have any questions. And if you'd like to book a consultation to go over individually how life coaching can help you, feel free to do so. Our website, as always, is freemanmedicalclinic.com. All right, hope you have a great day out there. Wait, why am I leaning towards the phone to turn it off when I have the remote? All right, I'm just gonna stand right here, very fancy, and use some technology.